Namaskar. Yoga is a powerful science that can prevent and treat many illnesses. Today, I am going to provide you with yoga technique for one of the most important issues that many face, and that is back pain. As today, our lifestyle demands sitting or standing for a long period, and that too in one place, and that results in the lack of exercise and movement, and that causes back issues for many. I will share issues that not only work wonders for your back issues but also prevent the development of such problems. Let's start with few stretches that you can do while sitting, whether at work or home. Spinal twist. Sit upright in a chair with both feet flat on the ground. Twist your upper body to right, holding on to the backrest or side of the chair for support. Hold for a few seconds. Repeat on the other side. This stretch promotes spinal flexibility and releases tension in your lower back. Second is forward bend. Sitting on a chair, keep your both feet wider than your hips apart. Slowly bend forward from your hips, allowing your head and arm to hang loosely. Hold for 15 to 20 seconds. Return to an upright position. This gentle forward bend helps stretching the entire back and releases tightness. Now let's see some classical asana posture. Setu Bandh Asana or bridge pose. This strengthens your back and stretches your spine. It engages the muscles of your lower back and thighs. Apart from this, it also increases blood circulation. It releases tension and stimulates the nervous system. With regular practice, it can help correct your postural imbalance and ease all kinds of backache. For Setu Bandh Asana, lie down on your back, fold your legs from your knee, both the legs hip distance apart. Now hold your ankles with respective hands on both the sides. Now gently giving pressure to your shoulder and your hips. Lift your hips up. Now gently take your hip and back up. Hold it for 6 seconds and gently come down again. Third is Supta Vakrasana. This is a gentle twist that rejuvenates your spine. It stretches the back muscles and releases tension. While lying on your back, bringing the knee on either side of your body, this pose encourages mobility. In this pose, you can release back pain and restore flexibility to your spine. So, lie down on your back. Now fold both the knees as shown. Stretch your hand in T shape on either side. Gently exhaling, drop both the knees on the right and look to your left. Hold it for 6 seconds. Inhale, come to the center and repeat on the left side. Another asana is Shalabhasana or Locust Pose. This asana specifically targets your lower back. Lifting your leg by lying down on your belly activates the muscles of lower back and hips. Shalabhasana reduces pressure on the spine. With regular practice of Shalabhasana, you can find relief from back pain and build a stronger and more supportive back. Lie down on the stomach as shown in the video. Keep your hands straight and both the palms on your back, gently pressurizing your lower back. Now lift your right leg up, keeping it straight from the knee. Now hold it for 6 seconds and gently bring it down. And then lift both the legs together without bending from knee. Stay there for some time and come back. Now let's understand and identify the cause for backache problems. Understanding the underlying cause of your back pain is very important for its effective management and prevention. First, if your backache is because of your poor posture, make a conscious effort to maintain your posture correctly while sitting, standing, and lifting objects. Second, if you experience discomfort due to muscle imbalance, first do stretching to restore balance and remove any strain. Third, check if your sleeping position is correct or the platform on which you are sleeping is properly leveled. Fourth, assess the comfort of your chair, as factors such as bed, chair can contribute to the development of back problems. Do's and don'ts to avoid back issues. To maintain good back health and prevent pains, try simple strategies. First, give some sunlight to your back whenever possible. Maintain healthy weight to reduce excessive strain on your spine and back muscles. Sit on supportive chair and use sensible mattresses for proper alignment and comfort. Fourth, avoid lying on your bed or sofa during day for longer time to minimize stress on your back. Fifth, include some form of exercise for your back flexibility. That too in your routine every day. Sixth, practice proper lifting technique, bending your knees and keeping your back straight when lifting heavy object. So, whether you are experiencing acute or chronic back pain, including these natural techniques to your daily routine can help ease your discomfort and promote healing. Remember, giving priority to your back health is essential for maintaining an active and pain free lifestyle. Namaskar.